It is Tuesday, April 9th. It's my nephew McKeever's birthday today. Happy birthday, McKeever. And it is National Name Yourself Day. Okay. Because we don't already have a name, I don't know, to name yourself. However, my grandmother name, my daughter is the one who came up with my grandmother name, and I rather like it. So it is a name yourself. So the other name I go by instead of Holly is Biggles, Biggles. In high school, Turner and her friends in college all called me Big Halls. So she said, "Do you want to be Big Halls as a grandmother name?" I was like, no, I don't. I liked it for the teenagers, but not for my grandchildren. So she goes, and then she came up with Biggles. And I'm like, all right, I'm good with Biggles. I even have it on my license plate. So there you go. So Name Yourself Day. My other name is Biggles. So think about it. We got in the new Wonderland Yarns kit for the month of April. And it is a gorgeous tonal green. Beautiful. It is called, this is part of the tour of the season, Rue de la Blanchisserie. And the Duke and Duchess of Richmond are requesting your presence at the Rue de Blanchisserie whenever you decide to get there on June 15th at 11 o'clock in the morning. So there you go. Here's your invite. And all the progress report that you can do when you knit your project. On the inside of the label is a QR code, and you follow that, and you will have a plethora of pattern choices. That's their whole list of their choices. So you'll have your choices for this. The yarn is the Cheshire Cat. It's light fingering weight, 515 yards, and it is beautiful. It is 100% superwash merino. And of course you get two little cool stitch markers. One is a Vanity Fair book, and one is a lovely fan. So those are your stitch markers. So the whole set, $40. Beautiful. The yarn is absolutely gorgeous. So there you go. Perfect. I think that's all I have for today. It's not very much, but it's enough. And you could think about what you want to name yourself today. Maybe, or maybe not. All right. I will see you tomorrow.